with my 18-year-old friend and see what fucking happens to you.
Cassie, I'm a grown-ass man. I can stick up for my
Do it.
damn
I
self.
swear to God, fucking
Blair, get her out of the way.
Do it. Touch him and see what happens to you.
Yeah, see what happens
Touch
to you.
him.
Touch me and see what happens to you.
Touch him and I swear to God, see what happens to
See
you.
if your jaw doesn't end up on the other side of this fucking...
No! Don't listen to him. Listen to me.
You're fucking funny.
I rap gang,
You
gang,
lay your
gang,
hand. Not only
Cassie,
will you your ass,
I
but my
change-
friends will.
Hey.
No! Shut up!
Leave alone!
I'm not one to be in fucking fights.
You're not in the fight.
I grew up watching fights. If this fight fucking happens, not only will I stop talking to all you guys, your ass will be fucking dead on the ground by my dad's.
Why are you...
Hey,
Cassie.
what is wrong?
No, I'm tired of watching fights. I grew up watching this shit. If you touch him, I swear to
She
God.
acts like I
Please.
can't handle my damn self.
I don't care if you can. I know you can. If you touch him, I swear to
Hey,
God.
please.
No, I grew up watching
Why-
fights.
why do
I
you
grew
do
up
this?
watching people down on the fucking ground. Don't
Stop.
touch
Why
me.
are you crying?